Welcome to Astro Bhava and Vedic Secrets, the podcast where ancient Vedic astrology meets your real life milestones. I'm Ria, your host, and I'll be guiding you on this cosmic journey. Have you ever wondered why some things in life feel delayed, like marriage, career, or even health breakthroughs, while the other events happen out of the blue, like almost magically? What if I told you that your life actually runs on a cosmic schedule, a celestial calendar called the Vimshotri Mahadasha? Today, we are diving into how understanding your Mahadasha can help you time major life events and align yourself with destiny instead of fighting against it. So let's start simple. In Vedic astrology, Vimshotri Dasha is a planetary period system that maps out your life journey into blocks of time ruled by planets like the Sun, Moon, Mars, Saturn, Venus, and others. Each planet rules for a set number of years, like Sun for 6, Moon for 10, Mars for 7, Rahu for 18, Jupiter for 16, Saturn for 19, Mercury for 17, Ketu for 7, and Venus for 20. These aren't random numbers, they are based on deep astronomical and karmic calculations passed down from sages like Parashar. Think of it like this. If your life is a movie, the Mahadasha is the main storyline, while the Antardashas or sub-periods are the chapters within it. Now, why does this matter? Because the planet ruling your Mahadasha sets the tone of your life during that period. A Jupiter Mahadasha might bring growth, wisdom, and opportunities for learning. A Venus Mahadasha could highlight love, relationships, and luxury, while Saturn Mahadasha, that's when life often tests you with responsibility, discipline, and sometimes delays. This is why some people marry effortlessly in their Venus or Moon periods, while others face delays if Saturn or Rahu is running their timeline. It's not that you can't succeed, it's that each planet has its own theme, and when you align your expectations with that theme, life flows more smoothly. One of our listeners, Anita from Chicago, was frustrated because despite being in a long-term relationship, her marriage plans kept getting postponed. She consulted Astro Bhava and discovered she was in Saturn Mahadasha with Rahu Antardasha, two planets known for delays and unexpected obstacles. Instead of fighting it, Anita followed Astro Bhava's guidance. She leaned into Saturn's lesson of patience, discipline, and building a strong foundation. She focused on career growth, self-improvement, and specific remedies recommended by Astro Bhava, including Saturn-related mantra chanting and charity work. By the time her Venus Antardasha began, within a few months, her wedding date was set. Today, Anita often says, "Saturn delayed me, but Venus blessed me." Let's address some of the common questions we hear. Can Mahadasha really decide when I'll get married, change jobs, or move abroad? Yes. While free will matters, Mahadasha shows when the timing is right. Think of it like seasons. You wouldn't plant mango trees in winter, right? Is one Mahadasha better than the other? Not really. Every planet brings lessons and gifts. Even tough Saturn or Rahu periods can give incredible breakthroughs if you align with their energy. How do I know which Mahadasha I am in? You'll need your exact birth time, date, and place. Once calculated, you'll see your current planetary period and what's coming next. Practical tips to align with your Dasha. If you are in a Jupiter period, focus on education, mentorship, and expansion. In Venus, nurture love, creativity, and partnership. In Saturn, embrace discipline, structure, and responsibility. In Rahu, expect the unexpected, but use it as a chance for transformation. And if challenges arise, remedies like mantra chanting, pujas, homas, or charitable actions aligned with the ruling planet can soften the edges. So what's the takeaway? Life isn't random. The Vimshotri Mahadasha shows us that our experiences unfold in rhythm with the cosmos. When you understand your planetary timeline, you stop asking why me and start asking how can I work with this energy? Because timing is everything, and when your destiny clock is understood, you no longer feel lost, you feel guided. If you'd like to discover your current Mahadasha and what life events are most likely to unfold, visit us at astrobhava.com for a personal reading. Until the next time, may your destiny align with the stars above.